Disabling app notifications on the lock screen of the Galaxy S24 enhances privacy by preventing sensitive information from being displayed when the phone is locked. Here's how you do it. First, press the home button to return to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down from the top and tap on the settings icon. In the settings menu, scroll down and select Apps. Next, scroll through the app list and choose an app. For this example, we'll select Canva. Tap on Notifications. Then, tap on Lock Screen to allow or disallow notifications for this app. If the option is grayed out, notifications are not allowed. If it has a blue border, notifications are allowed. If enabled, notifications from the app will appear on the lock screen. If disabled, they will not. You can further customize the notifications by choosing whether to show the content or hide it. Simply select your preferred option. For some users who are experiencing notification issues with some of the apps, what you need to do is to clear the app's cache and data, and they should be fixed. To do that, go back to the home screen and then swipe up from the bottom. Look for the app you're having issues with, and then hold its icon until a menu appears. Select the app info icon, and in the next screen, select Storage. Tap Clear Cache and follow it up with Clear Data. That should be enough to fix the issue. And that's it. You can now manage your lock screen notifications for any app. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.